Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello traders! In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for automated trading with Delta Exchange. This powerful integration allows you to automate your crypto derivatives trading strategies seamlessly. By connecting your TradingView alerts directly to your Delta Exchange account, you can ensure your trades are executed instantly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means you can capitalize on market movements even when you are not actively monitoring the charts, providing a significant advantage in the fast-paced crypto market. To begin, you will need to set up a webhook on Delta Exchange. First, log into your Delta Exchange account and navigate to the Trading Bot section, usually found under the Algo dropdown. Here, you will create a new webhook, giving it a descriptive name and selecting the account where you want trades to be executed. After creation, Delta Exchange will provide you with a unique webhook URL and a specific message format. It is crucial to copy both of these carefully, as they are essential for linking with TradingView. Now switch over to TradingView. Ensure you select the correct Delta Exchange charts for the asset you wish to trade, like Bitcoin perpetuals. Apply your preferred trading strategy or indicator to the chart. Next, configure your strategy's order sizing. For example, 100 contracts might equal 0.1 Bitcoin. Finally, create an alert for your strategy. In the Alerts notification settings, paste the webhook URL you copied from Delta Exchange and the specific message format. This setup ensures that when your alert triggers, a trade signal is sent directly to Delta Exchange. Automating your trades with TradingView and Delta Exchange offers numerous benefits. You can participate in the crypto market 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without needing to constantly monitor charts. This helps reduce emotional trading and potential human errors. For managing multiple strategies, consider using separate sub-accounts on Delta Exchange. Also, it is often beneficial to manually establish an initial position in your account. This ensures that subsequent TradingView alerts, especially those designed for reversals, execute as intended, optimizing your automated trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.